guys, so we're at our hotel right now and we'll be staying here for overnight, and in a while we'll be going out to Festive Walk with my parents. We're walking up to SM because SM is just near our hotel and it's just a walking distance. Hi guys, so it's the next day. It's June 3 and it's our second day here in Iloilo, and right now we're getting ready and my parents are getting ready as well. And right now I'm just getting ready, putting on my makeup. This is my makeup bag. And I'm also going to show you the things that I've got yesterday from Festive Walk. It's actually right there. I'm going to make a quick haul later before we go because the background here is so good. The lighting is so good. Everything is great. Given the price of the hotel, it's very, very, very nice. So right now, by 10 o'clock, we'll be checking out of the hotel. Then, we'll be going to SM City Iloilo because we're going to have our brunch there. Then by 2 o'clock, we'll be going to the port. And we're going to travel from Damangas to Bacolod, Breadco Port. Then, we're going home because I miss my dog. So, get ready with me. So, so for my powder, I'm using this Nichido fancy colors in the shade light. I'm going to use this as my powder. Then, using my brush. I'm using this brush. This is the Maange brush. I love brushes from Maange. They're very nice. They're not that dense. Just nice. Then for my blush, I am using this Everbelena powder blush in the shade Fever Dream. Then I'm also using my Maange powder brush. I'm so sorry. I'm so bulol. I hate this view. I didn't bring any eyeshadow with me because I didn't know we're going to have overnight here. And next, I'm using my new lippy. I bought a new lippy from Nature Republic. It is a Korean cosmetic brand. This is the Water Melting Fixing Tint in the shade Bubble Pink. Love the shade. Also the scent, it's like a medicine. It has this peach scent na para bang gamot. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's very nice. Yung packaging niya para siyang spray. Yan, para siyang spray. But it's not a spray. Yung cover niya parang may gradient siya na look. Parang didn't look yung packaging niya. So that's it. It smells so good. Parang ginawa ko na siyang inhaler. I don't know if kita nyo, but I'm sorry, I'm covering the light. This is how it looks like. This is the shade. It's actually a water tint, and it leaves a stain. See, meron siyang stain na iniwan. So I'm using this. Oh, yeah, talaga. I'm using this as my lip tint. And I love Korean lippies because they leave that gradient look in your lips. And please excuse my pimple. I'm currently breaking out right now. Mga sumpa sa mukha yan. But anyway, this is how my final look makeup. So this is how my final makeup look looks like. And I don't know if that's how you pronounce that. I don't know if that's how you say that, but that's it. So this is how I look like. I still look like a human after all. So I'm making a quick haul before my mom make himos of our gamit. So I'm making a quick haul. I got stuff from KKV here at Festive Walk. I got a lot of snacks, pero right now, I actually separated my pasalubong for my friends and loved ones. And the things that I'm going to show here that I got from KKV are the things that I got from my friends and loved ones. So I got snacks for them. I got this Chinese snack. I don't know what kind of snack this is. I don't read Chinese. Then some gummies. Then my boyfriend knows this one because he's into Pokemon. But this is also a Chinese snack, but I think it's tomato flavor. It's tomato flavor. Tomato flavor, and it's Pokemon, so my boyfriend knows this one. Next, I got myself bookmarks because for your information, I am a bookworm. I have a lot of books at home. And kulang na lang bookmark. I don't have any bookmark with me. And I randomly saw this yesterday sa rack nila. And I told myself, why not get one? And I didn't know na set siya pala. And there were a lot of variants kahapon. There were cats. Parang aesthetic yung dating niya. I got this one. This is just a random bookmark. And this is how the bookmarks look inside. So this is how the bookmarks look. Ang random niya, and it depends kung ano yung nakuha mo. If you got this one, then yung bookmarks na makukuha mo are all dog related. Dog related. Next, I also got my friends some pens. I got them some pens. Next, I also got them memo pads. Ang dami. I'm so sorry. You can see this one. Next, I also separated them their own bookmarks. I also separated my friends with their own bookmarks. And lastly, I got one of them a notebook. And also last, for makeup, I got one from Nature Republic. I showed you earlier before the makeup or get ready with Miko that I used this one. This is the water melting fixing tint. So I got this one in the shade Bubble Pink. So that's everything that I got from Festive Walk KKV store.
Or these more seasoned runners na sumasali sa inyo?
Okay, so room update. So that is where I basically slept for the night because the hotel offered us a room that is good for 2 people, but in the family we're 3. So they provided us with an extra mattress. So that's the foot of my dad. My dad is
I know it's 7, but we better run that. Oh my, 지금 이 순간. Oh my, let it hypnotize. Loosen up, watch me set the mood. Burn it up, do it like I do. Lose your mind, play the music. Let's
macaroni. Ang ano niya?
Dalawa lang 30.
Ang usulod lang ka-card din.
Tingnan, kinangdan pa ako.
Okay, ito yung ka-card.
Yan ang hotel yan.
Tali talong ko. For souvenir.
Ang
Wala
bala
ka
pa
na
sa deskaroni ko, pwede mo dala eh.
Wala, di ko na to.
Ay, patay. Hi guys, so we're now on our way back to Bacolod. We're now riding a Roro and we'll be at Bacolod by ETA would be 4:30 to 5 o'clock p.m. So I think I can see Bacolod from here, but I don't think that's Bacolod yet. My reflections during our Iloilo trip is that I had so much fun and I've only been in Iloilo for 2 days. I've been in Iloilo for 2 days, but it felt like I've been there for a week. And this is the purpose of our trip, for me to have fun and also to attend some matters too. And I wish that I could return here to Iloilo with my parents again, and also sometimes with my family, my loved ones, my friends also. And I wish to go back here with the people that I love, because I want to celebrate my life with them. So I think I will be ending the vlog here because my phone is about to go low bat and my headphones is also about to go low bat. So I think I will be bored in the Roro for a while. I don't think I can sleep. And I think I'm too excited to go back home because I miss my dog. My dog is actually a Doberman Labrador. And I miss my home, I miss my room, I miss my CR, I miss my vanity, I miss my study table. I basically just miss my home. And I also miss my friends, I miss my boyfriend also. Yeah, so I think I miss everyone at home. So yeah, may babaeng sumilip. Oh my God. Oh, by the way guys, story time. When we were at the port at Dumangas, I went out of the car because my tito drove us there. Then I opened the trunk of the car because I was about to get our things. Then suddenly I put my head inside. Then I didn't know na loose pala yung pagkabukas ng trunk. Eh yung trunk nag-close siya, and my head got stuck inside. Unfortunately, luckily, nothing happened to me. Bakit unfortunately? Basta ganon, yeah. So, that's basically it. That's basically what happened in my Iloilo trip. And I think I've been yapping for a while. Enough with the yapping, and I will also end the vlog here. So, that's it everyone. That's it guys. That is Chingus. This is the end of my vlog, and thank you for watching, and 2 more travel vlogs with you. Bye!